How is carbon 4 oxide prepared in the laboratory? This setup shows apparatus that can be used to prepare carbon 4 oxide in the laboratory. They include a beaker, conical flask, thistle funnel, delivery tube, and a gas jar. Arrange the apparatus as shown in this setup.
The reagents used are hydrochloric acid and a few marble chips in a conical flask. Marble chips is simply solid calcium carbonate. The gas is passed through concentrated sulfuric acid to dry it. Anhydrous calcium chloride can also be used in place of concentrated sulfuric acid as a drying agent.
Add the dilute hydrochloric acid to the marble chips in the conical flask and see what happens.
When dilute hydrochloric acid is added to calcium carbonate, a vigorous effervescence occurs releasing carbon 4 oxide gas. When calcium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms calcium chloride, carbon 4 oxide and water. The gas is passed through concentrated sulfuric acid to dry it. Carbon 4 oxide gas is denser than air and therefore collected by downward delivery. Some of the properties of carbon 4 oxide gas include the following. It is a colorless gas. Carbon 4 oxide is odorless. The gas is denser than air. Carbon 4 oxide neither burns nor supports combustion. The gas is also acidic.
Uses of carbon 4 oxide gas. Solid carbon 4 oxide gas, also known as dry ice, is used as a refrigerating agent for perishable goods. This is because solid carbon 4 oxide sublimes as it cools, leaving no residue. Carbon 4 oxide is used to extinguish fires. This is because carbon 4 oxide is non-flammable and has a higher density than air. Carbon 4 oxide therefore forms a blanket on fire, cutting off oxygen supply. Carbon 4 oxide is used in the manufacture of sodium carbonate in the Solvay process. Carbon 4 oxide is dissolved in water when making health drinks to add taste. It is also used to make baking powder.
Here are some practice questions for you. Name any other acid and metal carbonate that can be used to prepare carbon 4 oxide. State any other sources of carbon 4 oxide in the atmosphere. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me.